Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 15th, 2021, and we are going to update you all on our Virgin Galactic stock price prediction. It definitely did not go the way we expected it, so we're going to break it down, see what we can learn from it, and try to scave from the trap's next anticipated price movement so that we can win in the market rather than lose. So before I break down our portfolio as well as where we expect space to go, make sure if you appreciate the content, hit the like button and share the video and also subscribe. We're not here to prop you up, give you no excitement, no FUD, no FOMO. We're just simply here to show you where we're expecting price to be within the stock market. Okay, so real quick, you guys can see on this portfolio that we only have 3 stocks in here now. We took the rest of them off because we were seeing pretty good profits percentage wise in our portfolio. So we took it out the market, and these are the new plays that we are currently in our portfolio. Now you want to keep watch throughout the weekend of us reevaluating our portfolio. This is when we'll come in and see, do we need to take these off because either we're satisfied with the profit or we're not winning in that particular trade, and see which ones we're going to add. So make sure you check these videos out as we continue to show you that you're able to call the markets and actually win in front of many other people. So now this is space. This is Virgin Galactic right here, and you guys can see it. We're going to be fully transparent with you all to show you that even we cannot get every price prediction correct. We did a video on February the 11th or the 12th, and we anticipated that this particular market was going to continue to see higher price movement, and immediately on the 12th the market in Virgin saw lower price movement. I mean, the market was down 8%, almost 8.25% on the 12th. The day that we did our video, the market did not even go the way that we expected it to go. Now automatically, that was our indications to say, okay, hold up, the market is not exhibiting to us any strength. That should have kind of make us look different into the market as to our original forecast and say, okay, we may have got this wrong right there on February the 12th. And you know why? Because this market in Galactic Virgin actually came and propped itself up on that line. So we would have said, okay, we're going to watch this a little bit closer, right? Because we're closer to seeing the trap break that trend of trading higher in price, right? We have all of these days right here that the market in Virgin was trading higher and above that line. But then again, on the 12th, we got close to that line again. So we needed to say, okay, we may have got this wrong right there. And then on the 13th, we actually broke the trend. So that was the moment that we all needed to say, okay, our expectations of seeing the price go higher in Virgin Galactic is wrong. You would have to have gotten out the market right there, because the trap was telling us that he's not trying to increase this price. This is how you're able to take the emotions out the market. This is how you're able to read where the market is going to go, because reading that on February the 13th, yes, you would have been down 15.5%. But for those who would have been into the market today, 15.5% versus 42% is a lot better. This is what people try to say: cut your losses as soon as possible. Once you understand how to read the market, you will not be holding on to an emotional, oh, I hope the price comes back up to my particular level. It was just a bad prediction, and it happens that way. So either 15.5% or 42.5%, we learn from what occurred into the market and make it applicable going forward. Okay, so yeah, it didn't go right. So what we're going to do, we're going to update you all on what we're seeing into the market in Virgin Galactic and see where the price is going to go so we can continue to win. So now the first thing we need to see as we take a look at the market in Virgin, as I zoom out, right, you can see already that the market in Virgin Galactic has came and touched that ascending line. That's the first thing we need to follow and address, right? We came right here on March the 5th, 10 days ago, and we saw the trap come in and prop itself over on the overall trend. You can see that the market in Virgin has utilized this trend as support. So you would expect us to continue to trade that line, right? That's what we're expecting going forward because we got the confirmation on March the 5th, right? Now, seeing how we were able to see this market in Virgin break back below $37, that's going to be restriction. In this vicinity is where the market restriction is going to be found. So we would be expecting the market to continue to show its weakness there. And even right now where we're seeing the market trade on last Friday, right there around $35, we got to keep those two price levels in play because the market can actually see more rejection at that particular price. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna increase that restriction area in the market for Virgin right there around $38, $39. Okay, now let's break this down on the 3-day time frame real quick. As you all can see that we were still seeing the strength coming to the market in Virgin Galactic, which is good. You know, we saw two positive 3-day price bars that shows us that the strength is still in play. Our only issue is right now where we're seeing this restriction area, which can literally decrease and impact how high Virgin Galactic is going to go. That area is literally right now, right there around $35. Looking at this on the weekly time frame, the market is still relatively strong. So given that we are trending and trading right now at restriction at $35, how we concluded the weekly time frame in Virgin Galactic lets us know that the strength is still available and that the prospect of it breaking $35 to the upside is still there as well. Okay, now we are going to play the strength into the market. We're not going to cause any confusion. Support needs to be maintained around $29-$30, give or take, right? It's not precise, but we can see that's a general vicinity to where we would expect the market in Virgin Galactic to prop itself up. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring this out right there. And where would you TP out the market? We already told you that $35 is going to be the closest area of restriction. But we would TP the market right there around $37.50, which is on average 8.7%. I'm going to bring it up there to the ultimate restriction area though, just so we can keep guard of it. And this is it. This is our expectations. This is where we're seeing it to the market in Virgin Galactic. This is where we're expecting price to go. Now, where do you all think the price in Virgin Galactic is going to go? Do you still think the market's going to go higher? Or do you think the price is going to go lower? You know, definitely let us know with a comment in the comment section as to where will you take the profit out the market and go to another play. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.